Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of the elements of transport protocol. So we have to discuss about how the transport layer operates mainly. How does it work? What happens in the transport layer? That we'll be discussing in this session. In that we will be considering only the two aspects today. In the next session I'll be dealing with the other aspects. So first one, as we are said to be considering today, is addressing. Second one is connection establishments. These three I'll be discussing in the next session. Okay, so here addressing, what do you mean by address? Already you know the meaning of what is address. Address is nothing but I want to identify from whom to whom I am said to be sending the information. So it is important that it has to have an address. Address is nothing but the ports which are being getting communicated from one end to another end. You have the different ports which get connected and they transport the information. Okay, before transporting I have to check whether the line is free. If the line is free, then only the information travels over the transport layer. Okay, so here that factor is called as the listen thing, which we have already discussed. So I have to listen to the connection whether it is free. If it is free, it will be transporting the information through the help of the transport service access points. There are various access points from one end to another end when it is said to be traveling. So this is important that it gets connected from one aspect to another aspect through the access points. And the IP address, you can say, addresses which are said to be your network service access points. So when we are said to be getting connected to one network to another network, then it is important that we have the network service access points. Okay, these are said to be the important things when you deliver the information. So you can check in the diagram. So you have different host. From one host to another host you have to connect, and in between connection it is being done through the help of the transport service access points. It will be giving the service from one part to the other part. So it is important that you get the service access points from one end to another end, then only you are said to be transferring your information. When the line is free, then it transports with the information in various ports. Okay, so first important thing, as in the diagram what it said is, mainly it accesses the service points which are there in between wherever it want to travel. It gets with the service whether the service is said to be free there over that particular line, that it has to be checked through the transport service access point. It gets the information, it requests whether it is said to be free. So it's nothing but it is listening. Then what happens is, when it is free, then it gets connected through the various service points. The service point 1 to service point 2, it has to get connected. First it has to access point, it has to be ready with the connection. It gets the connection. Okay, when it requests, it gets the connection, the information is said to be sent. Okay, the service point, it responds to the information. Okay, this information is ready, it is being sent, and the transport connection is said to be released. So access points ask for the permission. When the permission is granted, it prepares with the information. After the preparation of information, it will be released to the point. That happens in the part of addressing. Okay, then you have the connection establishment. So when you want to have the connection also, okay, listening is over, now the aspect is I have to get the connection to be done. So the availability of the in the connection establishment, you have to check for the availability of the person at the other end, whether it is said to be available or not. If he is not available, then the connection is not said to be available. It has to wait for certain amount of time. When it becomes free, then only it has to travel with the information. It gets the connections done. Okay, so you are said to be traveling over the line. When the line is free, it gets the information, it makes it travel over the line. Otherwise it will not make the information travel over the line, because it may have a chances of either duplication or the information may be lost. So that important thing is that it has to service has to be provided through the connection establishments. So in this connection establishments part, you have three-way handshake. One is it checks for the port whether it is said to be available. If it is available, okay, it provides the service to the other end. Okay, it checks for the connection. If connection is free, it transfers the information. After transferring information, it delivers the information. After delivery of the information, once again it has to get the acknowledgement. Okay, delivered. Now the connection has to be terminated. That is the part of your connection establishment. So it is called as a three-step process it has to have a sync and an acknowledgement. When it is sent, it has to send an acknowledgement through one device to another device. It is not like the information is delivered to the other end, the main host. It is not delivered, it is said to be delivering to different devices. So when it is delivering the information to different devices, it has to have an acknowledgement. That is being taken care in the three-way handshake. Okay. So here you can check out with the diagram how it happens is, okay, when the information travels over any of the line, it sends the information. When it is being sent, it gets the connection and it gets the request. Afterwards, it has to send an acknowledgement, okay, connection is ready, now we can transfer the information. Then it transfers the information with the data. So same way, once again, the connection request happens, it gets the acknowledgement and delivers the data. Like this, three-way aspect is there in the connection. So here, in between, if the connection is lost, then it is said to be a duplicate may happen. Double copy may also happen. That is also a bigger task when it is connection is being established. Another thing is that, okay, a duplicate copy, it travels, it gets the acknowledgement, it gets traveled. Once again, the data may be lost in between because of the duplication. This happens in many times. So information, once it travels, it may get struck. Once again, another data may be coming into the connection. So it's just nothing but a duplication. So when duplication happens, each and every time the data starts like strucking in between, it gets rejected in between only. So original, once again, you may have to send the information. Like this, it is said to be a concept of connection establishment. It has to check for everything. Line is free, no duplication should happen, and no information is being lost. That it should be taken care in the connection establishment part. Okay, so this connection release and other things, I'll be dealing it in the next session. Okay, thank you.